we made over 1,000 points trading Usdzar. This was a free trade that I gave out to my public Telegram. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you what I was looking for and how I interpreted the market and why I anticipated that selling position. All right, so first things first, this was a very quick analysis. What did I see? Went to the daily. First things first, we went to the daily right over here. And now if you see what the market was doing based on the daily time frame, you see that okay, it was printing some kind of, a lower low and a lower high. So that just told me that okay, this one is a downtrend. All right, now when we go to 1 hour this time around, guys, the only thing that I was looking out for is just a continuation pattern. So let me show you. This is where the market was right over here. That is what I saw. So I think I had that screenshot over here. You see, this is it. You can try to zoom over here. This was July 4th, and of course today, as I'm recording, this is 6th. Yeah, so you see I gave them a heads up. This is Usdzar pending order ID. All right, this is it. So I anticipated, okay, if we anticipate a selling pressure on a daily time frame, then what should we be looking out for? If we see that all in all this is just an impulse, so we won't take our entry on an impulse phase. Okay, so I was anticipating a correction. Then inside that correction, as usual, my policy states that no reversal, no trade, guys. So if you kind of look at this level right here, let me just show you right here. That is just a double top, guys. So once I spotted that double top, of course I had right here, as you can see over here, we had a support level right over here. So the reason why I had this as a support level, let me take you to the 15 and show you something, guys. Okay, that was like a neckline, all right over here. So yes, we had a double top. Then most articles says once you see a double top or a double bottom, wait for price to break out over neckline. That's when you take your entry position. But then that is not my style of trading. Yeah, so once we see a reversal structure, we need to understand how price is going to approach that neckline, whether it's a support level or a resistance. So right over here we see, like I said before, this is kind of a double top. Then all this drop was just an impulse. Does it mean that okay, price has taken out this neckline? Does it mean we should be taking our sell? Not yet. Okay, so all in all, we need to wait for another correction. All right, since we only broke that neckline with an impulse phase. So when I saw right over here, this is kind of a correction phase, then I said okay, let me just have this level right here marked as a support level. So once I see price taking out this level right here, guess what? Now this time around I took this entry based on the 1 minute, right? So as you can see over here, let me take it to the 1 minute, guys, for you guys to see. Just a minute right over here. Okay, and this was a very tight stop loss, 27 points. Right, let me take it to the to 1 minute, not H something. Right, hopefully we get that right over here. Right, okay, let's have it right here, a very tiny one. Okay, now if you see over here, this is another continuation pattern, right? So inside this continuation pattern, guys, remember once again, no reversal, no trade. Right over here I saw okay, what if price is giving me another head and shoulder, left shoulder, this is the head, right shoulder. Then I said no way, if she breaks I'm going in. And yes, that is what happened. Price broke, boom, right over here, boom, and I was in. Let me show you. Let me take it back to the 15 right over here. Oh, this is when price started playing or moving to our anticipated direction. Remember, this is July 4th. You see right over here, that is when we were in profit based on the 15 minutes. You understand? Let me see how many candlesticks are those. 1, 2, yeah, 2 candlesticks. We were in profit. All right, so let's go. I believe these are the candlestick right over here, the 2 candlesticks, this one, and I believe this one we had a week. Remember, we had NFP, so I was like okay, I'm going to hold my position, but my initial target was 1K to close for the week. But at the same time, I was kind of anticipating this level over 3,500 points. That is my target level. So let me show you something over here. So you see, this is when I was in profit right over here, 18.33954, 18.339, something like that. Let me double click on this for transparency, guys. All right over here, 18.33954, 18.33954. You see, that's the entry level, right? So price played out, and this was 84 points, and I was like, okay, 84 points. If you are not making money, then you have a problem, because this was a free trade that I gave out my public, gang. You understand? So you see price doing its thing, and I say always secure your profit. Once you're in profit, protect that profit, right? So let me show you right over here. Price played out nicely, 542, and let me see, 114 points. This is when the next day, July 5th, we were holding on to this position, you understand? And okay, we had this 700 right there, $700. And I think, let me play this video right here.
Yeah, so last week we closed the week with 1,000. So this week, look at where we are, 800, baby. But then today is crazy. I believe we have NFP, and I'm trading Usdzar. So probably I'm going to take my position, or I'm going to close my position when the news up, like something like 5 minutes to news. But at the same time, I'm already in break even. My anticipation was this level, $2,000, man. Better, yeah. Let's see. Probably before news, if we rock 1,000, I might just close, because NFP is going to be crazy, I believe. So yeah. Yeah, man.
So that was the video, of course, and then I said, okay, not bad. This is when I hit 1k. But remember, I never closed this position. So you see, after NFP, I said, yo, I'm still riding the wave. So I've not closed this trade. Basically, today is Saturday, and I'm planning to hold. But remember, as as price goes to my anticipation or anticipated direction, I will adjust my stop level. That is, I will be trailing my stop level. And of course, guys, I was documenting these entries, when I was taking the sell position. Of course, I had a video record. I'll also play that. For you to be a good fighter, always let your opponent attack first. Why? Because once he attacks first, then he's going to open his guard, and that's when you're going to hit. Why are we talking about fighting instead of talking about the forex market? So this is what I'm trying to say. Now, if you want to be a good forex trader, then let the market do its thing. Let it print, give its blueprint, and then once it make mistake, then that is when you attack. So let me show you what I'm talking about in the real market. Just over here, let's go and see what we're talking about. That is the real market. Over here, let me show you. So for example, this trade over here, I've been waiting for this trade to play out, doing its thing. So all in all, I'm just waiting for price maybe to give me a pullback, or I'm looking for a correction. And once I get that correction, and guess what, that's when we should attack. So all in all, let's just be patient. Let us wait for the market, or let us wait for the opponent to make a mistake, and that's when we attack. So this is day 2, guys. Yesterday we took an entry on Usdzar, and yeah, things went out nicely, and I'm still holding on to my position. So let me show you. See what she's doing. To be honest, guys, I think I'm going to close on 1k. Today is NFP. Yeah, so some minutes ago I saw 1k. Yeah, and I think I'm going to close once I see 1k. Initially my anticipation is this level, but NFP, I don't trade news. You understand? I don't trade news, man. So I'll just let it do its thing. But once she hits 1k, I'm gonna close. You see, we have NFP, we have unemployment rate, something like that. No, I don't want to be caught in that. So once we hit 1k, I'm going to close. Okay. Thing, all right. So I hope you gang understood that short video, and until next time, amigos, peace.